Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics, building wealth. If you've ever wondered how to create a solid financial foundation and secure your future, you're in the right place. Stick around for the next few minutes as we break down 10 easy steps to build wealth. Step 1. Set financial goals. First things first, set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, having a roadmap is crucial. Step 2. Create a budget. You must create a budget. Know where your money is coming from and where it's going. Budgeting tools and apps can make this process a breeze. Step 3. Save and invest. Now, let's talk about saving and investing. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and explore investment options. Step 4. Emergency fund. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net is crucial. This varies for everyone, so create accordingly. Step 5. Debt management. Debt management is our fifth step. Tackle high-interest debts strategically. Step 6. Education and skills. Invest in yourself. It is all about education and skills and what you can bring to the table. Acquiring new knowledge and skills can open doors to better opportunities. Step 7. Diversify income streams. Diversify your income streams, our seventh step. Explore side hustles, investments, or passive income sources. Step 8. Real estate investing. Consider real estate investing. It's a powerful wealth building tool. Talk to a professional for the right guidance. There are various options out there. Step 9. Retirement planning. Plan for your future now and relax later. Step 10. Review and adjust. Last but not least, regularly review and adjust your financial plan. The key to building wealth is adaptability. And there you have it, 10 easy steps to build wealth. Remember to speak with professionals on your wealth building journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which step resonated with you the most. Until next time, here's to your financial success. Flying Money Glowing Star.